Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Students, please rename yourselves, write your name and also enrollment number with your name. Okay. So now I am sharing my PPTs for our discussion. Students, I am audible and
Yes,
my
sir.
screen visible.
Yes, sir. You are
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is my first class with you. And before starting that, I think you all of you know me. I'm mentor of you also, many students. Myself, Dr. Mukesh Kumar, and I will teach you the pharmaceutical chemistry in this year. And so I am starting your pharmaceutical chemistry. So you all of you know about what is the meaning of pharmaceutical chemistry and introduction to pharmaceutical chemistry, because of you have read in your first year also, especially that is inorganic chemistry that you have discussed, you have teach by. Okay, so you learn about the pharmaceutical chemistry in your school level as well as in your Pharm first year, especially inorganic chemistry. So in this year, we will discuss about the organic part of the chemistry, organic chemistry, as well as the medicinal part of the chemistry, medicinal chemistry. Okay, so I want to ask you what you understand by means of organic chemistry. Anyone can tell me what is organic chemistry? What is the pharmaceutical chemistry? What is the pharmaceutical chemistry? Can you tell me? Anyone?
Sir, in which we will study about drug and pharmaceutics. Maybe it can be a pharmaceutical chemistry.
Okay, anyone?
Sir, uses pharmaceutical preparation और sir
Okay,
properties
anyone?
पढ़ेंगे
Good. Anyone?
और sir chemical structure भी.
Okay.
Sir, chemistry of substance used in medicine.
Very good. Very good. It is excellent. It is exact. Sujit Kumar, you are absolutely correct. So in pharmaceutical chemistry, what we have understood, we will discuss in pharmaceutical chemistry about the chemistry of pharmaceutical important, or you can say compounds. That is come under the pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmaceutical important compound. So chemistry of pharmaceutical important compound we will discuss here in pharmaceutical chemistry. So pharmaceutical chemistry maybe depending on the nature of the compound, we can divide into two parts. That is pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry as well as the pharmaceutical organic chemistry. So what is the organic chemistry? That chemistry which deals with the study of organic compounds. Okay, chemical study of organic compounds. So organic compounds made up with the carbon, and oppositely you can say or inorganic compound. So inorganic compounds are compounds which are made up with the other than carbon atoms. Okay, so we will here, as you know, inorganic chemistry I have told you that you have discussed in last year, and in this year we will discuss with you about the organic chemistry. Voice break हो रही है. Okay, I am trying to correct it. Okay, now it's okay. I think it will be better.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, good.
Yes.
Any issue is there, then please let me know. Okay, so you know, in pharmacy, as you know, we had discussed about the drug. So first slide, you can say, when I start anyone, then I will ask with them that what do you understand by means of drug. So different persons, they have different definitions. I hope you also know about the meaning of the definition, meaning of the drug. But as per the WHO, what is the drug? Drug is any chemical entity which can be used for treatment, diagnosis, prevention, and cure of any disease or disorders. So any chemical compound or any things, chemical entity you can say, that may be used for diagnosis, prevention, treatment, and cure, that is included in the, as a, you can say, that is called as a drug. So it is very important that being a pharmacy person or professionals, we have to know about the drug. So all entity you can say that come under this, like vaccine, like you can say precautionary measurements and everything that is come under the drug. And little bit you can say some food content also, that is also part of the drug. That's why they are you know, food and drug administration, that is come together. Okay, so our you can say role is very important for the society point of view, because of we play very important role in food and drug administration, and for I can say health point of view. Okay, so next, this is next slide that I'm sharing you, that is, when we are talking about the drug, then drug can be obtained from either the synthetic source or maybe from, I can say, plant source. You know, previously in villager area and all, the plant root and plant part and extract and everywhere, they were used for treatment of any types of disorder and disease. But nowadays some synthetic drug also, many synthetic drugs that is in market. So the source of drug, that is from either natural source, synthetic source, and we can say, so these two mainly sources from where we can obtain, we can get a drug, either from plant, animal, microorganism, marine animals, and biochemistry as well. Synthetic way, that is not a part of your, and because of your diploma students, so I'm not going in detail about the how the drug will be discovered, but yes, you have to know the drug that is we are obtained from either plant source and in the synthetic laboratory. So students, as you, I think in the preliminary introduction, you understood that in pharmaceutical chemistry, we will discuss about drug and the chemistry of chemical, can say pharmaceutical important drug, important compound, that we will discuss over here. So this is your syllabus that I'm showing you for this year, pharmaceutical chemistry second. So what we will discuss here about the organic compounds. So first there is a unit first topic that is comprised with the nomenclature of organic compound. And organic compounds we can divide into the open chain compound and cyclic compound. Open chain compound like a methane, ethane, propane means alkane, alkene, alkyne. Then alcohol, then means functional group, different functional group like carboxylic acid, amines, so on. And cyclic compounds, then maybe you can say bicyclo compounds like cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane, cyclopentane. Okay. Students, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clearly audible. Is any doubt? Any
No, sir.
network fluctuation is
No,
not there?
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. If it is there, please let me know. Please tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is your syllabus that we will discuss. I have told you that chemistry of organic compound that we will discuss, open chain compound and cyclic compounds like cyclo compound, bicyclo compound like cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane, cyclopropane, cycloheptane. What is these things we will discuss? Then heterocyclic compounds. That heterocyclic compound means compound which contain heteroatoms, at least one heteroatoms in their cyclic ring. They are called as heteroatoms. Okay, that we will discuss. And then after the nomenclature part of organic compound and heterocyclic compound, open chain compound, we will discuss about different you can say pharmaceutical compounds or medicinal compounds which are important in different, you can say, category of the drug, like antiseptic disinfectant. What is the meaning of antiseptic disinfectant, and how that's drugs, the classification of drugs that is come under the antiseptic disinfectant, that we will discuss. Sulfonamides, what are the use of the sulfonamides and the chemistry of the sulfonamides, that we will discuss. Anti-leprotic drug, anti-tubercular drug, anti-amoebic, anti-helmintic drug, antibiotics, antifungal agents, anti-malaria drugs, tranquilizers, then hypnotics, general anesthetics, antidepressant drug, analeptics. So what are the meanings of them, that we will also discuss. Although this chemistry or this subject include all, you can say, category of drug. So likely adrenergic drug and anti-adrenergic and adrenergic antagonist, cholinergic drug, cholinergic antagonist, diuretic drug, cardiovascular drugs, hypoglycemic drugs, coagulants, anticoagulants, local anesthetics, antihistaminics or histaminics, then and analgesics, pyretics, means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents, thyroxine, antithyroids, diagnostic agents, different diagnostic agents also, anti-convergent drugs, means glycosides, antiarrhythmic, antihypertensive, vitamins, steroids, and anti-cancer drug. So that we will discuss. It's a long, I can say, list of the drug of different category that we will discuss in this year. But although it's a whole year, we will cover it, and only the asterisk marked compound like hydrochlorothiazide, like propenthalline, accordingly aspirin. So there are asterisk mark there in syllabus. So chemical structure of these compounds we will discuss. Other part we will discuss about pharmacological part. Pharmacology means uses, side effects, applications, as well as dosage forms, pharmaceutical marketed dosage forms, name of the few marketed dosage forms, popular marketed dosage forms, that we will discuss in this list, you can say. So I think you got the point. You
Yes, sir.
well aware about our syllabus.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
is clear to all? Any doubt, students?
Yes,
Please please tell me
No,
if you
sir.
have anyone.
No, sir.
Okay, Very good. So now I'm sharing you this new PPT for the first topic. Okay. So today we will discuss about nomenclature part of organic compounds. Students, my PPTs are visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So our today's topic that that we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of organic compound. Okay. As I have discussed with you that what are the organic compound? The organic compounds are the compound which are made up with the carbon, which are made up with the carbon. They are called as organic compound. And I think chemistry of carbon, you all of you know that the carbon have 6 atomic number and 12 atomic weight. And electronic configuration of carbon also, you know that 1s2, 2s2, as well as 2p2,
2p6, sir.
2p2 in the ground state. 6 electrons, so it is clear, but in ground is, but what happened here? Look at here, 2 electrons are present in the s orbital, and is the p1, it contain electrons here, 2 electrons. So as per the Haber principle, what happened? The half fulfillment of suborbitals increase their stability. So carbon, in excited state, very at the room temperature, only, this electron that is present in the 2s will shifted from 2s to 2p, and the
2p.
what? Yes. So what would be the electronic configuration? This is the
1s2,
2s 1
or 2
and
3.
2p. Yes, very good.
3.
2p3. Yes. So this is
Yes.
only the one half fulfilled. This is also this is the half fulfilled. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what happened? To complete the octet of the carbon, how many electrons required? How many electrons carbon required? Octet, you know, every atoms wants to complete their octet because of after the completion of their octet, their electronic configuration will be nearest equal to the inert gas. So everyone wants, every electron means atom wants to be we can say achieve their electronic and electronic configuration as per inert gas. You know, in this their respective class. Like carbon, there is next you can say neon. Neon will be the inert gas. Neon will be the inert gas. So they want to achieve the you can say electronic configuration of neon. Okay, and 10, 20. So 4 electrons required to complete their octet. You know, neon electronic configuration neon is 1s2,
1s2,
2s2,
2s2,
and 2p6 is it?
6. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 4 electrons carbon required to convert into the electronic configuration of this like neon. So you can say 4 valency carbon have, but 4 valency either +4 or -4. What will be? Who can tell me? What is the meaning of +4 and -4 valency?
+4 मींस तो सर लॉस करना होता है सर किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन को, और सर माइनस का मतलब गेन करना होता है.
Very good, exactly. If any atoms and taking the electrons from any other species or any other atom, then what happens? The valence will be the +4. Sorry, -4. And if it is donating, then +4. Is it?
+4.
Very good. Very good. So in case one thing more, that carbon is neither donating or nor accepting completely. What
Yes,
happens?
sir.
Carbon is sharing the electrons. Sharing the electrons. It means the covalent bond.
Covalent bond, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, covalent bond will be formed. Like hydrogen. Look at here. Hydrogen 1s1. Okay. His electronic configuration is 1s1. Okay. This outer surface there is 1 electron. Okay. So 1 electron will be there. So it required 1 electron to complete the octet. Hydrogen also.
Yes.
So carbon required the 3 electrons. So you can say 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. They will be together, form a covalent bond. Carbon with hydrogen, 1 covalent bond. So 4 covalent bond will be formed. And what happened? The molecule that is formed is called as methane. It will be the methane. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Get
Yes,
my
sir.
point? Everyone
Yes,
got my
sir.
point? Got it? Everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So accordingly, the molecule will form. First, we can say molecule that is methane. Accordingly, ethane, propane, that we will discuss. So what happens? There is a number of carbon, you can say compound is getting increased. So there is necessity. There is necessity to develop a method for their nomenclature. Say for example, like a human being, our nomenclature is also required. Otherwise, what happen? There will be a lot of confusion that who is this, who is this. So naming is required. So similarly, the organic compound, the number of the organic compounds will be there. So we know carbon is the most reactive molecules. So it will be formed number of the molecules. So there are the number of the molecules in the universe. Our body also is made up with the carbon. Number of the molecules are there in our body. So to nomenclature them, we required a nomenclature system. Okay. So need of nomenclature system is required here. Is necessity is required. So what happened? That we are discussing now here the nomenclature part of the organic compound. So organic compounds, the two system, there is tribal system. Tribal system means before IPAC. IPAC, what is the meaningful form of IPAC? Who can tell me? Full form of IPAC?
International Union.
International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry.
Yes, yes. International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Yes, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Is it? Students, I am audible clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So before the IPAC system, there would be the tribal numbering system or naming system, nomenclature system was there. And when the IPAC was introduced, then this system was eliminated almost. But what happened? When new system came, then previous popular name is adopted as such. So in IPAC, some tribal name is also accepted or adopted, and they will be given as a IPAC name. Is it? They are recognized. Like alcohol. Alcohol is derived name. Okay, spirit. But nowadays spirit is taken up by the, I can say, nomenclature system, because it's very popular. Everyone knows about the spirit. Okay, so we will discuss here. So these are the meaning. Now I am discussing. I am sharing next slide. So this is tribal system, that formic acid, acetic acid. As such, they are accepted. as by the IPC. You know, formic acid, because of the formic acid was discovered from ant, cheetah. I think everyone knows ant. So red ant basically they contain formic acid.
सर
Yes.
एंटीबॉडी पे पाता है ना सर ये फॉर्मिक एसिड
Uh-huh.
एंटीबॉडी पे पाता है ना सर ये फॉर्मिक एसिड
Antibody.
एंट चींटी की बॉडी पे पाता है ना सर ये
Yes.
चींटी बनाते हैं ना
Yes,
इसको
yes, exactly. You are right. Okay, so that's why what happened when cheetah bite, then there will be the itching in our body. Yes, and some people they are hypersensitive. There will be the some rashes and some you can say wrinkles also will be there. Redness of skin will be there, and few are not.
Yes, sir.
Mostly are not. Why?
Yes,
When
sir, yes.
when ant will bite to any person, then what happen? The formic acid that is enter into
Formic
the
acid reach.
yes, formic acid will enter into the body,
Yes,
and formic acid
Yes,
is considered as a you can say foreign matter. That's why that the mast cells that is present, mast cells
yes, sir.
that is present in our skin or our body, that will release histamine. Histamines, they are local autocoids and local hormones, you can say, that is defensing system, local defense system. Like in our country, the police is the local system, okay, and the army is the outer system, outer protection. So this is like autocoids like histamines, they are locally protect us as local defense, and other like immunoglobulins, GAMD, 5 immunoglobulins, they are, you can say, our outer defense system. Okay, so that is the meaning. I'm not going in that part. We are discussing here that tribal system, that is formic acid, that is obtained from the red ants, and when this formic acid will enter into the body, then their irritation will be there. So by the name of the red ant, that is also, so formic acid is as such adopted by the IPC. Similarly, acetic acid, it was obtained from the vinegar. You know about the vinegar? What is the vinegar?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me example of vinegar? We have used in our day-to-day life also, in kitchen also, nowadays in fast food era. Vinegar, have you seen?
Yes.
सर चाउमीन में डलता है सर
Yes,
चाउमीन में
noodle.
डलता है
Yeah, chowmein.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. So that is the vinegar, and vinegar that is contain acetic acid. Is it? So these are those examples. There are the many compounds that that have, can say, tribal names, and they are accepted as such in IPSC. Is it? So this is the IPSC, full form of IPSC students, the International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry, and its office is situated in Geneva. Okay, and IPSC, basically the role of IPSC is to design some set of rule and regulations for nomenclature of organic compound. So when the new compound, a new drug come into the market and discovered, then their IPC name will be given accordingly, according to the rule of the IPSC. So what happened? The universal name to be given to the compound. So everyone in the world, because in world there are the different languages, so different peoples, they understood about the compound by different name. So what happened? Different you can say throughout the world there would be the same name for the compound. So IPSC they play important role in giving their name and the set of rule and systems how to make the name of the compounds. Is it? Rules and regulations.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good one. Do you have any query that we had discussed?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
sir.
everyone understood.
No, sir.
Everyone understood very well.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Without any problem, any hesitations, please tell me.
No problem.
You can
Yes,
ask me,
sir.
students. You can ask me if you are free. You are free. You can ask me if there is any issue in between in our class. So now,
No,
very good.
no issues, sir.
Good, very good. So now we are discussing the writing of IPC name of the compound. How the IPC name of the compound can be right. Okay. So I have told you that IPC play important role in the formation of the rule and regulations for a nomenclature of the compound. So the name of the compound that have different parts. One is the prefix. Prefix means there is any part of the name that is given previous. There is
First.
prefix. Yeah, first, like Mr., Doctor. According, these are the prefix.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then root words. Word root, you can say. Word root. Like the methane. For example, I am taking you the methane. Methane. So methane, the myth is the
Yes.
prefix. Okay.
Prefix.
Yeah, and this one the n will be the suffix.
Suffix. Suffix. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good one. And the first also the root name and okay, primary suffix as well as secondary suffix. So these are the parts of any compound that we will discuss according like this is the prefix and this is the suffix. This is the suffix. And some compound, the larger the name, you can say they have the two part suffix also, the two part of the suffix, the primary and secondary, that we will discuss later on, primary and secondary. And this is the prefix also contain the root name as well as the prefix that we will discuss later on.
Sir,
Yes.
ये root name or prefix, sir, it is both the same.
No, little
Prefix
bit
and
difference.
word.
I'm taking the examples in the previous one. It will be like, for example, okay. I'm taking live example. Say for example, this is the compound. Can you give me the name? Can you tell me the name, IPC name of this compound? Can you write the IPC name of this compound? It is visible to all?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Sir.
Yeah. Sir. Who can please
Sir,
write this name in your notebook? Everyone write the name of this compound in a, what happened when we are discussing, we are reading the chemistry now, then everyone should have the copy and pen, please. When I asking now, then everyone should reply.
Sir, 1-chloroethane.
1-chloroethane? No.
Sir,
Yes? No one? Very simple compound.
sir,
Yes?
Sir, 1-chloropropanoic acid.
No. Not at all. But good try.
sir, chloromethanol.
Yeah.
Chloromethanol.
No.
Chloromethanol.
No. Okay. I will discuss later on about the things, but I'm asking because of you are asking about the prefix and root name. That's why I'm putting you. Now, first, what are the rules are there that we have to check it out, the carbon chain. This is the carbon chain.
Yes, sir.
4 carbons there and 1 chloro group is there. Okay. So carbon, you can
Sir,
say
3-chlorobutanoic acid.
no, not 3 chloro. It should be 2 chlorobutanoic acid. 2 chlorobutanoic acid. 2-chlorobutanoic acid. Why? Because of the numbering should be start from this carbon. Because the 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can start either numbering from this end or this end. So what happens if we are putting the numbering from this end, then the functional group, there the 2 functional groups are present. One is the chloro group, another is the carboxylic acid group. Yes, as per the priority list, the carboxylic acid group is come in the first priority, and chloro group came after the second priority or later on. So priority will be given to this. So minimum number should goes to the priority functional groups. So minimum number group will goes to the carboxylic acid, carbon of the carboxylic acid. Carbon of the carboxylic acid will be the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 number will goes to the chloro group. Okay, so the name would be, its name would be the 2-chlorobutanoic acid.
स्टूडेंट सर
Yes, please.
सर हमको ये कैसे पता चलेगा सर हमें काउंटिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है सर?
I am
जैसे
telling
आपने
you.
अभी बताया।
Yeah.
सर
You
जहाँ पे
have to be
फंक्शन ग्रुप
that.
स्टार्ट हो रहा है सर वही करेंगे सर पहले।
No, that I will explain you all rules and regulations IPC name. I am taking this example because of you are asking me prefix and root. Can say word root. That to explain this one, I am putting this example. Otherwise, I will discuss with you with one by one to clear the all problems, all your doubts. Although I am telling you, I am answering your question that when we are seeing any compound, then first step we have to be check it out how many number of the carbons there. For example, 4 carbon atoms are there in this compound. Second one, we have to find out that how many numbers of functional groups are there. So here is the 2 functional group. One is the chloro group, another is the carboxylic acid group. Then we have to be keep in mind that what is the priority of the functional group. Carboxylic acid functional group will come first. Okay, and chloro group means halogens will come later on. So we have to give the minimum number to the higher priority functional groups. The functional groups that have the higher priority, the numbering should goes to that functional group, that can say carbon of the functional group. That's why we have to start now the numbering from the carbon of the carboxylic acid, because the carboxylic acid has the higher priority. So numbering should start from the carbon of the carboxylic acid, and the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the second number will goes to the chloro group. So now when we are putting the nomenclature now, then what happen? Like priority functional group, the can say suffix, the oic acid. Oic acid is the suffix for carboxylic acid. So priority functional group, suffix of the priority functional group will goes at the suffix at the later on. Suffix. This is the suffix at the end. Okay, and this is the 4-member carbon chain. So butane, but plus ane. I have told you, but is what? Root word, and ane is the suffix. Again, 2 suffix, primary suffix and secondary suffix. So ane is the can say primary suffix, and this is the secondary suffix. And 2-chloro, that is come at the prefix. So clear, students? In this compound, 2-chloro is prefix, but is the root name, word root, ane is the second, can say primary suffix, and oic acid is the secondary suffix. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Clear?
sir।
Clear this point of these 4 top points.
Sir, primary suffix बताना sir.
Primary suffix means suffix which are attached with the word, you can say word root. Word root is here, the 4 carbon chain. So butane, but is the first root. But is the word root. Sorry, but will be the word root. Okay, clear? So the suffix means ane. N suffix is attached with the butane. So butane, N is the primary suffix. Now, what do you mean the secondary suffix? Any functional group that is present, like carboxylic acid. So like this priority functional group is oic acid, carboxylic acid. So oic acid would be the secondary suffix. That is come under the end. Oic acid. And 2-chloro is the what? Prefix. That is come startingly. Prefix.
Yes sir, आ गया समझ.
Clear to all?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Why I'm taking this example? Because of to better understand that you clear your doubts that what is the meanings of prefix, root words, primary suffix and secondary suffix. That's why I'm putting this example. Otherwise, I will discuss you later on how to nomenclature the compounds. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Very good. So look at here, students, the prefix that I have discussed with you, that any substitution like fluoro, chloro, bromo, like in this compound 2-chloro is the prefix. So any compound that is present, that is come under the prefix. Clear? I think it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So these are the some substitutions like iodo is prefix iodo, nitro, then methyl, then ethyl, then propyl. These are the prefix. Then root name indicate the number of the carbon. Say for example, 1 methane, 1 sir voice slow hai. Okay, Tinwar. Students, I'm audible. Is voice is okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
सर आपकी वॉइस ठीक है सर.
Sir, आपकी voice ठीक है, sir.
Okay, done.
वॉइस
Because one student they written in chat, na Nitin Tomar. Maybe that time maybe the issue will be there because I have seen the chat now. It's 11:48. Okay, very good. So these are the substitution like iodo, nitro, methyl, ethyl, and propyl. Okay, these are the prefix. Then the word root, the number of the carbon, like in say if the carbon is the 1, like in methane, so meth, and number 2 eth, number 3 prop. These are the word root. Clear, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If the one carbon, then there
Yes,
would be the methane. If the second carbon, there is the ethane. Ethane is there, which should be downward. Ethane for 2 carbon, and for third carbon, there is the propane. Not propane, sorry. So for 1 carbon, meth, second carbon, eth, third carbon, prop. These are the word root. Okay. Good one. Next, similarly, 4 carbon, but, 5th carbon, pent, 6 carbon, hex, 7th hap, 8 oct, 9 non, and 10 carbon dec. 11 carbon undec, 12 carbon dodec. Okay, accordingly. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
These are the word
yes sir.
root. These are the word root. Eth, meth, prop, but, pent, hex, hap, oct, non, and dec. 11 undec, 12 dodec. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good one.
Yes.
So the
sir.
primary
Clear, sir.
primary suffix, as I told you, primary suffix which are joint with root word or word root. Primary suffix which is joint with word root. Say for example, meth is the word root plus an.
Sir, voice break हो.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Voice breaking. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good. So the meth and eth, N. So the methane. Methane. Okay. Methane. That is from here. So here, this meth is a what? Root word. And N is the primary suffix. Primary suffix. If like I'm drawing one structure.
Sir, voice break.
Just a minute. Voice is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this is what is this? Can you tell me what is this?
Methane, sir.
No, this compound.
Ethene, sir, ethene.
Ethane. Then what is this? What is this? CS3, CS3. What is this? This is ethane. And this is
है सर ये और ये ethene है.
this is
Ethane. This is ethene.
ethene. Yes.
Ethene.
Ene.
Double bond
This
है
is
इसमें.
N for single
Double
bond,
bond,
and
ene.
ene is the double bond. Okay. So this is the ethene. Okay. So these N or ene that we are putting now, N for single bond and ene for double bond, that come as a primary suffix, and that is attached with meth or eth. Eth. So eth and meth, they are root word, and N and ene, they are prefix, pre-suffix, primary suffix. They are primary suffix. Voice is okay? Any
Yes,
issue?
sir. Now okay.
Okay.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No issue, sir.
Okay. Good. Next, the secondary suffix that I have told you. Secondary suffix, that is functional group. Suffix that is joined with the functional group, like butanoic acid. So oic acid is the secondary suffix. Previously we have seen. Now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Previous example, 2-chloro-butanoic acid. So the oic acid will be the secondary suffix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Students, if anyone has any query, please ask me. Okay? Don't be hesitant.